Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the new Base Truck Parking Air Conditioner, your ultimate solution for smart, efficient, and safe cooling while on the road. Experience ultra-efficient cooling powered by our dual-rotor DC inverter compressor, delivering instant relief from the heat with zero waiting time. Stay refreshed and comfortable, no matter the temperature outside. Enjoy extended runtime and eco-friendly energy savings with our ultra-low standby power design. Drawing less than 10 milliamperes in static mode. Drive smarter, save more, and keep your vehicle's battery charged for longer journeys.